Welcome guys back to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to knit a broken slip stitch rib perfect stitch for the cardigans and sweaters. Look at this closer, just looks amazing. For this stitch you need to cast on any odd number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So any odd number. And let's get started. Skip the first stitch, we will always slip it. It is a selvage stitch, and knit all stitches till the end, till the last stitch. And we are going to purl the last stitch in each row. Turn row number 2, repeat row number 1, skip the first stitch and knit all stitches. And purl the last stitch. Turn row number 3, slip the first stitch, knit 1, now slip next stitch holding working yarn in front, and knit 1. Let's repeat. Slip the next stitch holding working yarn in front, knit 1. Slip the next stitch holding working yarn in front, knit 1, and one more time, slip, knit 1. We have started the row with knit 1 and finished with knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn, and the last row, row number 4, slip the first stitch. Now purl 1 and slip the next stitch holding working yarn in back. Now purl 1 and repeat. Slip the next stitch holding working yarn in back, purl 1, slip the next stitch holding working yarn in back, purl 1, and for the last time, slip holding working yarn in back, purl 1, and at the end purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. Now we are going to repeat last 4 rows as many times as needed. So we knit first 2 rows, then knit 1, slip the next stitch holding working yarn in front, knit 1, then slip the next stitch holding working yarn in front, and row number 4, purl 1, and then slip the next stitch holding working yarn in back already. Thank you guys so much for watching this short tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. I wish you all the best and see you soon.